Hello, beautiful half-size me community. So today we're going to do a gut check with the scale. So you probably have noticed that I have been sharing information about the Happy Scale app. Yesterday I fielded 2 questions from my coaching clients. I got one on the phone and she's like, Heather, I'm crushing it at the gym. I'm staying within my calorie range. And the scale was up a pound. I'm so angry. And then I had another one who actually lost weight over the week, but because the weigh-in on the day that she weighs in was the same as it was the previous week, she missed seeing her own progress. And what I'm here to tell you as a woman to a woman, hopefully women are listening to this, is we've been fibbed to about the scale. The scale is a small, it's like, imagine 1 grain of sand. The beach is not made up by 1 grain of sand, right? We have to have millions of grains of sand to make up a beach. Well, the data we get from the scale, that one time we step on and step off the scale, doesn't mean that we have or have not made progress. It's about repeating the process. Where are you in a week? Where are you in a month? Where are you with this collective data? Now, if a scientist had to defend his hypothesis with 1 piece of data, the results he got from 1 day of testing rats, the 1 day he tested a airborne illness, anything, he would get shot down. Nobody would take him seriously because you don't make an argument for or against something. You don't see progress in something with 1 small piece of data, 1 grain of sand. You don't do it. So what I'm going to encourage all of you to do, if you have not done it already, check into the Half Size Me portal, take the course Getting Sane with the Scale. If you don't have an iPhone and you can't get the Happy Scale app, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to start to figure this out for yourself. The sooner you can remove emotion from the scale and use it as a piece of data collection, the happier you're going to be and the more you're going to be able to move forward in your own journey, because you're not going to do that knee-jerk reaction where you step on the scale, you see it's up a pound, you're like, I totally rocked it this week and I feel like I've gotten screwed over and I don't want to do this anymore. And then you go ahead and you eat whatever you want and you really do undo all the hard work. So if you take a look at my post from today, I was down almost 2 pounds. Did I really lose 2 pounds in a day? No. Did I really gain the 2 pounds from the previous day? No. What am I looking at? The middle and the far right column. What is my average weight? Is it trending down? And what is my weight loss for the week? The reason this is so important is because if right now you think you're eating in a calorie deficit to lose a pound a week, and you are, say, losing 1.3 pounds, then you are actually exceeding your goal. You need to know that. For me, my goal, according to the macros that have been set for me, I'm only supposed to be losing 0.6 pounds per week. I'm doubling that. I'm crushing that goal. But, and that could be an exercise thing. It could be, I don't know. I don't know why my weight loss has been going so fast with these particular macros and calorie levels, but that's irrelevant. The point is, I know if the goal was to lose 0.6 pounds per week and I'm averaging 1.4, well, that means I'm crushing my goal. I don't need to obsess about what the scale said today, because tomorrow, who knows what it's going to say. I'm looking at my overall averages. And so what I'm going to encourage you today, take the Getting Sane with the Scale. Think about getting the Happy Scale app if you have not already done so, if that is your point of weakness in this journey. And everyone's different. Some people are like, yeah, if I step on it once a month and I see I'm generally going in the right direction, I'm cool. If that's not you, and you're somebody who's like on the scale, off the scale, shower, on the scale, off the scale, pee, on the scale, off the scale. If that's you, we need to do a gut check and we need to get serious about this, and we need to look at it in a totally different way, because I was that same person. It used to drive me insane. I would have seen that almost or a 2 pound gain the other day and I would have freaked out. I've been like, no, this is wrong, because I knew I was doing everything right. I was following my macros. I had my carb up day. Why is it my weight's up today? But now I get it. It's just part of the process. What I'm looking at is never what I weigh today. It's the accumulation of the data. You guys have a wonderful day. I hope this gut check has helped. If you have any questions regarding the scale, or if you want some more feedback on it, I feel like this has been a real big issue this week in particular. I would love to help you. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you tonight at the webinar. Bye.